Good morning, students. Today I will start English Literature, Chapter 6. Be glad your nose is on your face. This poem is written by an American writer, Jack Prilatowski. He writes children poetry. This poem is written about what would have happened if our nose were not on our face. This poem is humorous poem, having a very beautiful theme. Now let's start. Be glad your nose is on your face, not pasted on some other place. For if it were where it is not, you might dislike your nose a lot. In the first stanza, the poet asks the readers to be glad to their nose because it is where it should be. If it were someplace else, we might have disliked our nose. In the second stanza, imagine if your precious nose were sandwiched in between your toes, that clearly would not be a treat, for you would be forced to smell your feet. In the second stanza, the poet says that our nose is a precious one. Suppose that our nose is placed between our toes. Sandwiched means attached. Suppose that our nose is placed between our toes, the nose would be forced to nothing but smell feet all the time. In third stanza, I am going to read, your nose would be a source of dread where it attached top your head. It soon would drive you to despair, forever tickled by your hair. In the third stanza, the poet imagines that if our nose attached the top of our head, it would be a reason of fear. It means we feel fear and it would also give us despair. Despair means hopelessness, absence of hope. Why? By tickled our hair. Tickled means to touch or stroke lightly with the finger and it causes laughter. In fourth stanza, within your ear, your nose would be an absolute catastrophe. Catastrophe means disaster. For when you were obliged to sneeze, your brain would rattle from the breeze. In fourth stanza, if our nose inside the ears, it would be very inconvenient for us. It means it gives trouble for us. Then we had to be sneeze and in our brain make rapid, short and sharp knocking sound from the breeze. Breeze means cool air. Now in last stanza, your nose instead through thick and thin remains between your eyes and chin, not pasted on some other place. Be glad your nose is on your face. In the last stanza, the poet says that our nose is already in the best position under all circumstances. मीन्स किसी भी परिस्थिति में हमारा जो नोज है वो सबसे बेस्ट प्लेस पे है between the eyes and chin, not pasted in other parts of the body. So we should be thankful and be glad that what we have. The main theme of this poem is thankful to what we have. So, students, I think I hope all of you have understood it. Thank you.